Hi everyone, we have a new release. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Lee from Avontus Software. Today I'd like to introduce you to our new feature implemented within Avontus Designer, the board bearer threshold. What this will allow you to do is automatically change the equipment of your board bearers. This is what your platform sits onto, to a desired equipment when it's reached a certain length. Let's take a look within our demonstration on how this works. Let's get started. So on my start page, I go into global options, and as you can see, the feature box is here for all the settings. So what I need to do now is click on default, choose the equipment I'm wanting to use, which is ring lock. Now what I need to do is enable, so just check off the box to enable load bearing side overrides. Bearer material when below the threshold, the bearer threshold length, the bearer material when at or above the threshold. So the threshold we're talking about is this part here. So what I've set it up to is anything below 1.4 will be a ledger. Anything above the threshold will be a truss ledger. I can change these at any time to what I'm wanting it to do, all depending on your material master. Okay, so if I were to pick transoms, anything above 1.4 will be a transom on that side. If I've not got a transom available in that size, it'll go to the default, which will be a ledger, but you will get a notification to say that no transoms are available. Okay, so for this one I'm going to pick trusses because I know I've got all my trusses in my material master. I'm going to click apply, click OK. Let's go into now a new drawing page. So I'm going to set my parameters here. For this one, I've got it preset 257 be 109, so I'm just going to bring that bay on into my model view, and as you can see, because I'm below the threshold, it's kept it as a ledger, and I've got ledger down here as well. So click in the bay, and now I'm going to go above my threshold into this one on my sides, and then I'm going to change it to 2 meter. Now into my model view, as you can see, it's automatically added in the truss ledgers which I previously set up within the feature. Now if you come across this issue where you don't want this, you're not going to have a planked level here, so you don't need these, you want it to revert back to ledgers, what I can do is click on the bay. Now if I go into home, I go into drawing options, I have the feature options in here as well. I'm going to click on this, affects only planked levels. Make sure that's ticked, click OK, and as you can see, nothing's happened. What I need to do now is into scaffolds, and as you can see here, there's a new button available, apply bearer settings. So make sure the bay is selected, and then I'm going to tick this off. It'll update the model. I go into my model view again, and as you can see, it's reverted back to the pre-made setting of a ledger. And now I have this on my planked level only. And now what we have implemented in the software as well for this feature, if you needed to change the plank direction, simply do it like before, click on this button, change plank direction, and now if I go into my model view, you can see automatically it's changed the ledger of that side. So whatever my load bearing side is, it'll automatically change because the feature is enabled. Now with old drawings where the feature's never been implemented before, I can open these up, I can go into my drawing options, enable this feature, so set it up how you want it, click apply, click OK. Now this will enable the software to allow them features within this drawing that you've opened up. What I can do now is I can say for this bay I want to enable the settings, and for this bay I want to enable the settings. Now if I go into my model view now, as you can see, this is enabled within an old drawing, them feature settings. So whatever you want to use, if I want to do it all, I can now click on there where there's a planked level, it will enable that feature. So this works on new drawings and old drawings alike. Just select the bay you're wanting to enable the features, apply bearer settings, and it's as simple as that. And if you need to change directions of a certain level, click on the bay, into your bay level editor, choose the planks level you want to change, and then just change the direction, click apply, click close, into the model view, and you can see the feature works both ways, either up on the plank direction up here as well as on your bay level editor as well. So I hope you like this feature. Please let us know what you think, and if there's any other features you'd like to see within the software, please let us know by reaching out to support@avontus.com, and we can answer any questions you have as well regarding this or anything else we can help you with. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.